hefty in amount. So it is normal for a person that he could give much more money, a little bit, or like a little bit money for his own safety. It is something really needed in our country, that should provide a safety precaution, safety measurement for people that use auto vehicles. As you can see, the next is how an airbags come. It is really important to understand how an airbags come and how an airbags properly works. Because when a car hits something, it is not this, it is not on the impact. It is just not on the impact. It is also about the acceleration and the deaccelerate, and how much it loses its speed, and in how much time and how much ratio. Even though there is a also while it has some physical things, physical aspects that it measures, it also has electronic chip in accelerometer that detects the uh, a sudden change of speed. Even though we all know that if a car deaccelerate to a great amount that it can save, but it could save a car from a big impact, but still the impact, and as a human body it is completely different, that even a small scratch could hurt us so much, to just think that a small impact how much could be fatal. And other on the other case, that these airbags has some electric current. You can understand it by like an electric or a heating element. Like you can I can give you a simple example of a wires in a toaster. Like when a toaster gets warm, or the toast gets warm, it gets hot, it starts to burn up, it just sends it upwards, that to finish it up. Like you can say it is a timer. Like one of the biggest thing, it is that in these heating element, these chemical explosive, there are sodium that are used, which could be quite heavy, and it could be quite a great amount of money it can cause. But we are also offering chemicals that could be less harmful, that could be less expensive than the chemicals that right now airbags are using. Moving forward, the goals and objective of these are really important, because we have to understand that what is the real purpose of installing airbags. Because we are coming to a great age where electric cars and modern cars are coming, and for us as a Pakistani, we are looking at our vehicles that we spending so much money on. They don't promise our safety, which is the most basic thing that we can ask from anyone. So the main objective of these are is to lower the number of injuries. It is the best way to do it, because a car, a motor vehicle is a is a vehicle that could easily cause fatalities, and it is the least amount of thing. It is also important for us to increase the interval over the force that is being applied. We have to increase it. We have to uh, lower the force on the human body, on the person dr- uh, driving the vehicle, as much as we can. And one of the biggest thing is to make sure that 99% or the majority of the current user can easily avail these safety services. Because no matter how much the car is old, or how much the car newer is old, it is really important that the user that is using the vehicle should be safe. uh, the next few things are gonna be decided by my friend Saminadi. He will be continuing other.
Amir, kindly continue. Amir. Samir, kindly continue. We don't have so much time.
यस मैम, आवाज आ रही है आपको?
जी आ रही है।
हेलो।
जल्दी इसको कंक्लूड करें, यू हैव ओनली 5 मिनट्स।
हेलो। हेलो। Estimation of project. In phase one, we have to send the proposal to Indus Motor Pakistan, dated 1st December. Our phase two is expected proposal acceptance in 20 December expected. In phase three, we have to installation SRS airbags, yeah, six airbags in like a manufacturing year of Indus Motor Company, 1st July 2021. In phase four, our first valuation 1st December 2021. It was a limited edition. Our estimated budget is that SRS airbags in Pakistani rupees is 90,000, and we have to import a quantity of 2,000 airbags. In second, airbag replacement, which will cost 60,000, and airbag upgradation is 40,000. Valuation